took me days to do this. Days. And I finally have kage. It took me like 2 weeks straight of straight trading. And I got kage. I was debating whether I should eat paw or trade paw for kage. I traded it for kage. I'm not trading it. I barely will trade anymore. The only reason I'm going to come into this game is to do PvP. I never knew the struggle was that hard to get a legendary fruit. That is not even in the highest value. But you know, I guess it is what it is. Kage wood is worth a magu right now, but you already know, I'm not trading kage for magu because I just needed to eat it ASAP. I heard it was extremely good for dungeons, and it's good for PvE, good for PvP, yada yada, all that stuff. And if you're wondering why I don't have high HP in this video, it's because I literally traded all my health drops. I had like 1.2k HP before this, and now I have like 900. I'll show you in a second. Okay, I watched too much Hunter x Hunter. Alright, so, where is my weapon? Yes, I still do use one sword style. I don't know, y'all. It's not what I want. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Chill out. He's using Gook. He's using G-Hook, bro. I have not used Kage, bro. Give me a second. Are you gonna let me chill? Like, I don't even know what happened, y'all. I don't know what. Is he one of those guys that try to combo someone and move immediately? Oh my gosh. Yes. 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 I don't even know what I'm doing. Shadow trap. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm lagging too, so that's worse. Okay, hold up. So what is this? So you have, what is fleeing shadows? Oh wait, that's and then burrowing shadows is the other transportation move. Oh my gosh. Can you let me actually sit? I hate people like this, bro. I actually genuinely hate. Can you let me actually use the fruit first? I'm max, bro. My drops. Bro, I don't want some sincere explanation. Yes, for Kage. Yep. I traded I would show you the trade I traded for Paw. Literally, I traded everything, bro. Okay, yeah. Yes, but I'm lagging, so I can't land it. Don't you dare put pity on me and tell me, oh, try out your combo. Okay, then. No, I said I got a combo. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. So what is this? Burrowing shadows. Yes. Oh my gosh. He's getting destroyed. Wombo Oh my gosh, I've had tuna before. I've had tuna before. Oh, I ran out of do so. Bat tornado. I haven't used this move. This movie looks really cool. It looks extremely. I'm also on Thriller Bark on One Piece. I mean, this is like my 4th time rewatching One Piece. So, okay, I don't even know. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what I'm doing at all in any way, shape, or form. 1, 2. We've won. Shadow Grasp. Slam down. Okay, what am I doing? Tornado. Dang, 16! 2, 3, 4. Huh? I don't know what my sister's doing. Oh my gosh. Trap? Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ah! No, my HP's gone. No. Stop. We can talk about this. Black tornado. Brrr, silhouette. Yes, sir. Kill him with the silhouette. Yes, sir. What? Where'd my silhouette go? Nope. Boom. Please don't cook me. Okay. I said, please don't cook. I said, don't cook me. I think I got the kage combo down. Do I have? Okay, no, I don't have pole. And I don't even know why it's not letting me get out pole. But I genuinely cannot open my menu. Yes, now I can. I don't know why pole isn't just regularly equipped. Don't you dare try to hit me. I'm about to kill somebody, and it's not gonna be me. Okay, so let's see. I got it down. I think so. Shadow Grasp. Ooh, Shadow Grasp. Grasp. I told you. I got the combo down. Oh, you're a Zushi user, so I can't. And you're a Fishman user. Yep. I have no problem running away from you now. Yes, sir. Bro, there's no way there is a Gauntlet Fishman user with Yuzushi. There's no way, bro. I don't understand how brain dead you can actually be, bro. And why? Since when did Fishman start becoming, like, meta, bro? The barrage isn't even that good, bro. Grab. 1, 2. My gosh, bro. I cannot actually deal with these flipping Fishman users, bro. I cannot deal with these. Why is he doing so much damage? Bro, I promise you, oh my gosh.
Illegal Mexican. Immediately, please. Okay. It's illegal necessity is starting to rub up on me. Now I'm starting to think I'm not legal no more. So please get him, like.
Nope. I'm not fighting a Kage. I said Kage, bro. What am I thinking, bro? So, Grasp.
Luckily, he didn't have to go to police because she did that jump for him and was called live hurling racist remarks at him and discriminating against him even though she looks and sounds.
Shadow Trap.
It's crazy how some people can behave and be so racist.
Sit down, bro. Sit down. Bring that apple. Oh my gosh, bro.
Officer, I don't know what's wrong with this crazy Mexican. He's still recording me just because I called him illegal and he can't speak English even though he says I can speak English and English. He's questionable, okay?
Bro, I cannot deal with these flipping MAGA users, bro.
My phone and you interrupted my skit, okay? I need to
Sit down, yep. Bro, you're not hitting me with that. That's not a combo extender anymore either, so.
He said it multiple times.
easy. Watch him try to say easy after he ran around the map.
Her nipples out.
What did you say? Cringe name? What? How is my name cringe? Why are you even making fun of my name? Your name is King Bob! Your name is King Bob! I don't think you can be talking Bob. I don't think you can be talking Bob. I'm gonna call you Bob for now, okay? Shadow grass, get out of my face, bro. Trap, bink, burrowing shadows. Bro, why does that do so much damage? What? It's killing me due to burn. It's killing me due to burn. It's killing me due to burn. Cringe name? What does cringe mean? What is cringe? Cringe? Are you sure you spelled that right?
Scary, right? The hacker's goal was actually just to...
I'm definitely doing a part 2 to this. Because I think I got down the combo. Like, this time I'm not joking. I think I got down the kage, good kage combo. Can you let me, equip my staff? Look, I need to use my pole, bro, to attack. So, can you please let me equip that? Okay, yeah, I'm good now, bro. I'm good now. You can fight. Bat tornado. Boom, 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 boom. Hit him with this. What? There is no way! He did not fall for my trick. Shadow grasp. Boom. Okay, I thought that was gonna fling him. Kage trap. Boom, boom, boom. There's no way he tried to Afro dash. The fact that people are trying to Afro dash is insane, bro. Just stop trying to Afro dash, bro. But you're not. Oh my gosh, bro. Bat tornado. He canceled my bat tornado? It's cancelable and it's blockable and you don't get a combo off it? What is good about it? Bro, what is good about it? What is good about it, bro? What is good about it? What am I supposed to do? I thought I knew how to use kage, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I thought I knew how to use kage, bro. There is no way. I'm turning Ken Hockey on. Cause somehow he perfect blocks me mid. You know what? Yeah, I'm using it. Oh my god. I regret not going. I regret not checking out the moves first. Cause I thought it was gonna be easy. Well, technically. Oh yes, yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Take this silhouette to the face, buddy. Take this silhouette to the face. Yup, buddy. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing, buddy? What do you think you're doing? Burrowing shadows? Okay, I thought I could perfect about that. Kage, what are we doing here? What are we doing here, buddy? Bro, why are you blocking? Why are you blocking? There's no way he's actually trying his hardest to Afro dash me, bro. Come on, M1. Boom, 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 boom. Bro. Bro, why is your first instinct to block? It ain't even funny anymore, bro. It ain't even funny. Like, I'm actually trying to actually play the game, but I can't. Because I thought it was going to be easy, but never mind. Okay. I'm going to just try this later. I'm going to do a couple matches, try to learn the combo, and try this again later.